The sprawling Coca-Cola manufacturing complex begins its daily cycle as raw materials arrive at the high-capacity receiving docks. High-purity water is channeled through a complex system of stainless steel pipes toward the primary treatment facility. Expert technicians monitor the precise mixing of concentrated syrup in high-tech climate-controlled blending chambers. Advanced injection molding machines rapidly transform small plastic preforms into perfectly shaped bottles for the line. Thousands of empty bottles move along a high-speed conveyor system toward the cleaning and sanitization station. A high-pressure air rinser blasts every bottle to ensure the highest standards of hygiene before the filling process. The syrup concentrate is combined with carbonated water in the industrial carbonator to achieve the perfect soda consistency. A massive rotary filling machine dispenses soda into the bottles with incredible precision at high speed. The iconic red caps are applied to the filled bottles by a robotic rotary capper that ensures a perfect pressure seal. Infrared sensors scan every bottle on the line to confirm fill levels and verify the integrity of the bottle seal. A pneumatic reject arm instantly detects and removes any bottles that do not meet the strict quality standards. High-speed labeling machines apply branded labels to the bottles with laser-guided precision as they travel the belt. A thermal laser etches the production date and batch code directly onto the bottle for complete traceability. Computer vision cameras capture every detail to guarantee label alignment and text accuracy for every single unit. Robotic arms meticulously arrange the bottles into specific configurations ready for the secondary packaging stage. A high-speed tray former uses automated mechanics to fold and glue cardboard boxes around the grouped bottles. The wrapped packages travel through a thermal tunnel where heat shrinks the plastic for a secure fit. Powerful industrial blowers cool the wrapped multi-packs as they emerge from the heating process on the line. An industrial palletizer uses robotic suction to stack the finished packs onto shipping pallets with geometric precision. A stretch wrap machine secures the completed pallets with multiple layers of durable plastic for safe transport. Automated guided vehicles efficiently transport the finished pallets through the massive warehouse storage aisles. Thousands of pallets are organized within the high-reaching vertical storage system awaiting scheduled distribution. Logistics coordinators process shipping manifests and finalize delivery schedules for the massive outgoing fleet. Forklifts maneuver heavy pallets into the trailers of waiting semi-trucks for rapid regional delivery operations. Professional drivers ensure the cargo is secure before departing the facility to begin the final distribution leg. A long line of delivery trucks merges onto the highway, carrying the product to distribution hubs nationwide. Pallets are offloaded at the distribution center where they are sorted for final delivery to retail outlets. Automated conveyors route the Coca-Cola packs toward designated loading bays for local distribution vehicles. Local delivery trucks are loaded with the soda stock and depart to reach various urban retail locations. Delivery personnel pull into the supermarket loading bay to prepare the shipment for store employees. Stockers use manual equipment to transport the pallets from the receiving dock to the store's main aisles. Employees neatly arrange the product on the store shelves, ensuring the brand is visible and easily accessible. Customers browse the beverage aisle and select their choice of Coca-Cola for purchase during their visit. The transaction is completed at the point of sale, completing the journey from factory to the consumer. The factory operations continue without pause as new raw materials enter the processing line once again. A wide-angle view reveals the continuous, synchronized motion of the entire industrial production facility floor. Precise carbonation levels are maintained by the automated mixing system throughout the entire production cycle. Skilled staff perform essential maintenance checks to ensure all industrial machines operate at peak performance levels. Management monitors live production data from the control center to maintain the efficiency of the massive plant. As the sun sets, the facility continues its tireless operation to satisfy global demand for the legendary beverage.